Okay, so we'll continue. That is, so it was not an easy task for this person, this king, to fulfill his pursuit of killing tigers. But anyhow, he always won the battle and he was successful in killing the tiger. Once he's telling that his crown was, his kingdom was in danger. How was it in danger? It was in danger because the British officer wanted to come in his kingdom to kill tiger. So if he refuses, अब ये तो, as you know that during British rule, all the kings, they were under Britishers. They were like a puppet king. They have to follow the orders of Britishers. So they can't refuse British officer कि आप हम आपको हम allow नहीं करेंगे अपने kingdom में tiger hunting, right? So he was in danger in losing his throne. High-ranking British officer visited Pratibandhapuram. He was very fond of killing tigers, hunting tigers, and he expressed his wish. But यहाँ तो किंग को ही खुद मारने था कि टाइगर को, वो कैसे उसको परमिट करेगा? And he has banned tiger hunting for others except the king. So he said what to do. But the Maharaja was firm. He was resolved. He refused the permission. He said, I can organize any other hunt. आप कोई भी और एनिमल को मार लो. You kill a boar, you kill mouse, कोई भी mosquito. Now this is humor. कि आप टाइगर छोड़ के आप किसी बोर मीन्स विच एनिमल?
It's a pig.
Yeah.
In the lines of pigs.
Yeah, pig. तो आप पिग को मार लो, आप माउस को मारो, मॉस्किटो को मारो, उसका हंट में अरेंज करा दूं, बट नॉट टाइगर. दैट इज इम्पॉसिबल. ही सेड सो फर्मली. ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर का सेक्रेटरी जाके ये वो बोल देता है, लाइक ऑफिसर सेक्रेटरी सेंड वर्ड टू द महाराजा थ्रू दीवान. सेक्रेटरी ने दीवान के थ्रू मैसेज भेजा किंग को, दैट दुराई मीन्स, दुराई इज द British officer who collects at that time, who collects this thing, taxes, revenue. So दीवान को मैसेज भेजा that Durai himself did not have to kill the tiger. वो टाइगर को नहीं मारेंगे, but at least महाराजा मारे. Actual killing let the महाराजा do. He just want to have a photograph with tiger. Why? These British officers, they were so crazy for getting the photograph with the kill this hunted tiger. Any idea?
Ma'am, it was like, well, if I try to relate it with us, it's like if you do drugs, you look cool. तो अगर तुम सिर्फ एक सिगरेट के साथ फोटो भी खिंचा लोगे, तो you look cool according to you. But of course, it's a wrong thing to do.
Yeah.
So it's like on the line of
Here
that.
in British time, tiger hunting was said to be very brave act. And this British officer,
Yeah, it's like a stereotype. No, it's not exactly a stereotype. It's like, if you do it, तुम्हारी kind of इज्जत बढ़ती है and you kind of fit in. That.
Yes. So he want to get himself photographed with the carcass of tiger and want to show off in his Europe, in the newspaper of Europe, that he is so brave, he has killed a tiger himself. So that kind of reputation he wants to build for himself. That is why he said, okay, fine, let the king kill the tiger, but allow me to get a photograph with the carcass. And uske liye bhi Maharaja to bilkul agree nahi hue. He did not agree with the such proposal. And if he relented now, what would he do? If the other British officers turn up, उसने बोला अभी अगर मैंने इसकी बात मान ली, तो एक के बाद एक all British officers will come and demand for the same thing. Now, how many British officers he will clarify कि ये तो खाली फोटो था, मारा मैंने था, ये बोल नहीं सकता है. करेक्ट. बाकी ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर बोलेंगे हमको मारने दो, हंट करने दो. So this was not like beyond like his wishes. क्या करें? So because he prevented a British officer from fulfilling his desire, उसको डर था that मेरा तो गया किंगडम, ये किंगडम कांग्रेस ले लेगी. Now what does ये कांग्रेस ले लेगी? What was it?
Uh, Congress. They meant the British rule at that time. The British officials,
Here,
the
here,
British government.
like he was scared. इसमें क्या complications था? That Britishers they may not directly interrupt and say तुम्हारा kingdom तुम छोड़ दो, but British officer may send create an uprising amongst the people, and these people they may contact the Congress. Non cooperation movement was going on at that time, and they may asks the king to resign and give it in the hands of the power in the hands of Britishers. तो ये एक कुछ कर मतलब कुछ अपराइजिंग कुछ डिस्टर्बेंस ब्रिटिश कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट डिड ही डू? दीवान के साथ मीटिंग किया, क्या करे, व्हाट शुड बी गुड, व्हाट कैन बी डन. आफ्टर मीटिंग ही सेंड अ टेलीग्राम भेजा टू डिस्पैच ब्रिटिश कंपनी कोलकाता को. टेलीग्राम किसको भेजा? To Kolkata's famous diamond jewelers, famous British company of jewelers in Calcutta. उसको उन्होंने एक टेलीग्राम भेजा और बोला send samples of expensive diamond rings of different designs. आप हमको सैंपल भेजिए डायमंड रिंग्स के डिफरेंट डिजाइंस. Some 50 rings arrived. किंग ने मांगे हैं तो सैंपल भेजे, 50 रिंग भेज दी डिफरेंट डिजाइंस की. महाराजा को लगा कि एक काम करते हैं, इसकी दुराई रानी को खुश करते हैं. This British officer's wife को happy will make her happy, so that will work. So they send the 50 designs to Durai Sani, British officer's good lady, right? The king and minister expected, क्या expect किया था कि 50 rings भेजी हैं, वो देखेगी उसमें से 4-5 पसंद कर लेगी. So they expected to choose 1 or 2 rings and send the rest back. But Durai Sani was smarty. She sent thank you, kept all 50. 50 की 50 रिंग्स रख ली और just thank you very much for your gifts ऐसे मैसेज भेज दिया. And the king had to pay 3 lakh of rupees का bill. In 2 days a bill of 3 lakh of rupees came from British jewelers. Maharaja was happy. Though he was happy 3 लाख भरने के बाद भी कि चलो 3 लाख रुपए में मेरा किंगडम मैंने बचा लिया. I managed to retain my kingdom in 3 lakhs. Question comes on this. Okay. Now, since you are not well, just 2-3 minutes I'll take. When we talked about this thing, character of king, the Tiger King, we discussed about the character of Tiger King. So many aspects. Up till now, you have studied about the king. What do you say? Can you tell me a line or a two about the attitude of this king, Chilani Janjan Bahadur?
Well, the point that is that he's a hypocrite, I think it is true, and also he acts on fear most of the time, and there is no exact logic in what he does. Uh, so yeah,
Correct.
and but he's not logical,
Correct.
and he doesn't think about what he's about to do.
Yes. And you just see that he did not is not focused on. He has just become a king. He's 20 years old. He's just become a king. His first this thing priority he should give is to rule efficiently, to make his subjects happy. Is not doing that, but is after saving his own life and killing the tigers, and he goes beyond all these things. even if he is putting the kingdom in danger. For example, now here he is spending money to make Durai Sani happy, British officers good lady, वो वहां पे वो बचा लिया, बट मान लो कि if वो गिफ्ट्स लेने के बाद भी नहीं मानते and they would have taken their kingdom, then who was at danger? The subjects,
Mm.
right? He may be no more king, but the subjects, they may have fallen in the hands of Britishers. So he is not even bothering about putting stake the life of the subjects, his subjects at stake. Correct? Okay, since you are not well, we are doing 1 hour class only today. Right? And then let me know tomorrow, 5 o'clock evening, 1.5 hour. Sunday, it's Sunday tomorrow, but you let me know. Okay, morning is not possible in the morning because there is some function. Evening, right? Okay. Bye. Take care.
Yes, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.